We're going to learn about the sounds of OU and OUS. Most of the time, 3 out of 4 times, OU will have the sound of ow. So if you only remember one sound, remember ow. Ow. Out. Hour. Hours. Sour. Foul. Loud. Flower. Noun. Ouch. Pouch. CH says ch most of the time, as we learned in Level 2, Lesson 7. Proud. Proud. SH says sh. Shout. Couch. Count. Count. About 10% of the time, OU has the long O sound of O. Most of the time, this will be before the letter L or the letter R. Ol, soul, or, pour. Old, ER says covered in this lesson. Shoulder, course, mold, or, for. Fourth. TH says and which we covered in this lesson. 14. Gourd. A gourd is a type of squash. And also the word your, although some parts of the country pronounce it slightly differently from that. About 10% of the time, OU has the long OO sound of oo, like in soup, troop, coupon. About 7% of the time, OU has the short U sound. Touch, young. NG having the sound of was covered in this lesson. Country. Y having a long E sound at the end of most words was covered in this lesson. Touching. Finally, the suffix OUS has the sound of us. If we start with the root word of fame and we add the suffix us, it becomes famous. If we start with the root word of poor and we add the suffix us, we have the word porous. There are 3 important words that you need to know where OU has a different sound. This sound of These words are could, should, and would. Notice that in all 3 words, the L's are silent. Could, should, and would. Let's practice with some sentences. I have listed the sounds in green and which lesson they are covered in down here. Have. This is a case where the E does not make the A have its long A sound. It is only there to keep the word from ending in a V. Have you seen a mouse inside? Note the silent E makes the I have its long sound. This house. Have you seen a mouse inside this house? Your dogs, sometimes S at the end of a word says Z, covered in this lesson, sit outside my house every morning. Your dogs sit outside my house every morning. If you need more practice with the sounds of OU before the next lesson, You can practice them on pages 63, 64, and 81 from Word Mastery, which you can download for free from Don Potter's website at this URL.